Hello students, the class for today is Parts of the Butterfly. Yes, hola chicos, ¿cómo están? La clase de hoy día es Partes de la Mariposa. In this part we have a lot of insects. For example, we have a bee, a dragonfly, an ant, a cricket, a ladybug, a centipede, and a caterpillar. And we have a beautiful blue butterfly. Yes. Bueno, en esta parte tenemos muchos insectos. Por ejemplo, tenemos una abeja, tenemos una oruga, tenemos un ciempiés, tenemos un grillo, tenemos una mariquita, tenemos una hormiga, tenemos una libélula y por supuesto tenemos una hermosa mariposa azul. Now, pay attention and listen. Ahora presten mucha atención y escuchen.
Number 1. This is a worm. It can crawl. It likes the leaves. Number 2. Ants are hard workers. They are black or brown. They carry food to store for winter. Number 3. A cricket can jump, but also sing. You can see it in gardens or parks. Number 4. Ladybugs are the favorite insect of all people because they have nice colors, red and black. Number 5. Dragonflies don't bite or sting people. In Indonesia, people eat them as snacks. 6. Do you like honey? Then your insect is the bee. They gather honey from 2 million flowers to make half kilo of it. 7. Centipedes are usually brown. Its name means 100 feet. 8. Butterflies are flying insects with large scaly wings.
Okay, now you listen the description. Bueno chicos, habían escuchado la descripción. For example, she said, it's brown and it can jump. It's the cricket. Yes, it's correct. Bueno, acá tenemos dos niños que están conversando. Ella dice, es marrón y puede saltar. Y su amiguito dice, es el grillo. Okay, very good. Now, repeat after me. Ladybug, ladybug. Bee, bee. Caterpillar, caterpillar. Butterfly, butterfly. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Ant, ant. 100 feet, 100 feet. Cricket, cricket. Very good. Now read about butterflies. Listen and answer true or false. Pay attention, students. Ahora, chicos, vamos a leer acerca de las mariposas. Escuchen y luego vamos a responder verdadero o falso. Presten atención.
Page 81, audio 48. Butterflies are amazing insects. You can find them all over the world. They are colorful. The most common butterflies are purple, green, orange, and yellow. Butterflies have 4 wings, 6 legs, and 3 main body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Did you know that butterflies don't have ears? It's true. They have just sensors in their antennae. Butterflies don't have mouth. They have a long straw-like body part that they use to drink nectar or other liquids. They have 2 eyes.
Okay, you understand? Muy bien, ¿entendieron? What do you see? One more time, okay? Bueno, vamos a ver una vez más, ¿está bien? Pay attention.
Read about butterflies. Listen and answer true or false. Page 81, audio 48. Butterflies are amazing insects. You can find them all over the world. They are colorful. The most common butterflies are purple, green, orange, and yellow. Butterflies have 4 wings, 6 legs, and 3 main body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Did you know that butterflies don't have ears? It's true. They have just sensors in their antennae. Butterflies don't have mouth. They have a long straw-like body part that they use to drink nectar or other liquids. They have 2 eyes.
Okay, students. Say, butterflies are insects. They are colorful. They help flowers pollinate. That's great, really? Muy bien, chicos, las mariposas son insectos. Son de muchos colores y ellos polinizan, ayudan a polinizar las flores. Eso es genial, ¿verdad? Okay, now repeat about the parts of butterflies. Repeat after me. Wings, wings, head, head, antennae, antennae, legs, legs. Very good. Now we need to put true or false to the next sentences. Ahora, chicos, necesitamos poner verdadero o falso a las siguientes oraciones. For example, we have butterflies are colorful. Is true or false? Las mariposas son de colores. ¿Es verdadero o falso? Muy bien, verdadero en inglés se dice true y falso false, ¿ok? Entonces aquí vamos a poner una T de true, de verdadero. Butterflies are colorful is true. Very good, continue. They have 4 legs. 4 legs? No, they have 6 legs. So in this case is false. We have F. Muy bien, las mariposas no tienen 4 piernas, ellas tienen 6. Entonces vamos a poner la F de false. Continue. Number 3. They have 2 wings. No, they have 4 wings. ¿Ellas tienen 2 alas? No, ¿verdad? Ellas tienen 4. Entonces pondremos false. Very good. Continue. Number 4. They don't have ears. Yes, it's true. They don't have ears. Only they have a head and antennae. Okay? And sensors too. Another. Number 5. They don't have a mouth. They don't have a mouth. Is true. Really. We have letter T. Now, they have 2 eyes. Yes, is true. Letter T. Very good, students. Now, repeat after me. Butterflies are colorful. They have 4 legs. They have 2 wings. They don't have ears. They don't have a mouth. They have 2 eyes. It's very good. Now continue. Now we answer the questions. Read the questions to answer, then listen and check what with partner. Okay, we have questions. We have all these questions and we have the answers. Okay, do crickets have antennae? Yes, they do. Do worms have legs? No, they don't. Do ants have eyes? Yes, they do. Do dragonflies have ears? No, they don't. Do bees have a sting? Yes, they do. Do centipedes have stings? No, they don't. Okay, now repeat after me. Do crickets have antennae? Do worms have legs? Do ants have eyes? Do dragonflies have ears? Do bees have a sting? Do centipedes have stings? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Okay, students, now we have a conversation with Anna and Billy. Now listen and read, okay? Pay attention. Listen.
Come here, Billy. Look.
Oh, what happened?
It's a small insect. It's red and black.
It's a ladybug. Do you like?
Yes, I do. It looks nice. Do they have wings?
Yes, they do.
How many wings do they have?
They have two. And as all insects, they can fly.
How many legs do they have?
They have 6 legs.
How many antennae do they have?
They have 2. Let's go to see more insects.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, thank you, Anna and Billy. Muchas gracias, Anna y Billy. Pero, ¿qué decían ellos en su conversación? A ver, vamos a descubrir. Ven aquí, Billy, mira. Oh, ¿qué sucede? Es un insecto pequeño. Es rojo y negro. Es una mariquita. ¿Te gustan? Sí, me gustan. Luce bien. ¿Todas las mariquitas tienen alas? Sí, todas tienen. ¿Y cuántas alas tienen? Ellos tienen 2, y como todos los insectos, pueden volar. ¿Cuántas piernas tiene? Ella tiene 6 piernas. ¿Y cuántas antenas tendrá? Tiene 2 antenas. ¿Vamos a ver más insectos? Sí, vamos. Qué interesante, ¿verdad? That's interesting. Okay, students. Now in this class we have parts of butterfly and a lot of insects. Muy bien, chicos, en esta parte vimos algunas partes de los insectos, como fue de la mariposa y algunos otros insectos más. Nos vemos la próxima clase. Bye bye.